Cabinet Minister and NPP candidate for the Shillong Lok Sabha seat, Ampareen has taken a dig at sitting MP Vincent H. Pala for his frequent absence from the parliamentary constituency. According to her, the gap between the MP and the people has widened. She aspired to be an MP who is seen and heard. While advising her political opponents to refrain from personal attacks, Lingdo said she would not be surprised if her opponents indulge in negativity as the election approached. Although she claimed that the allegations against the NPP-led MDA government are all baseless.
One should not be irresponsible while giving a statement, because then everybody will turn around and question your own performance. What is your report card? Look at your own report card first before you hurl accusations on a dispensation, a current dispensation of a government which is doing a lot. I will be ready and available to share with the people of my constituency, which is the one Shillong parliamentary seat, on the things that have been done by this government.